welcome to my channel, Dianna's Homestead. You guys are here with me, Dianna, and today we are back out here in my food forest and I'm about to add another addition to it. Today we have the honey jar jujube. This is a self-pollinating. It's supposed to be like a crisp apple honey type flavor. I've never had a jujube before, so I figured this would be a good addition to my food forest. It's pretty much disease resistant. I got this from Colesville Nursery and it was $142.50, a 7-gallon, and it is 4 to 5 feet tall. Okay, so it's a little bit windy out here today, you guys, but we got to get her down. So if you guys want to come along with me as we plant this new addition, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my jujube here because they like full sun, well draining soil, and they grow well in zones 5 through 10. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, plant her here. Of course, you want your hole at least twice the size of the container that it's in. Okay. All right, you guys, so the process is pretty much the same. When you're digging your hole, you want to try your best to get it in a square. And reason being for the square is because you don't want the roots to wrap around. You can Google it if it's best to dig a hole in a square or circle. Hey you guys, so we're going to get ready and amend this soil. We have some Epsom salt. We have some compost in here. I don't use no measurements. We got some blood meal. I'm trying to hurry up and get this done because it is a windy day today. We got some 10-10-10 all-purpose fertilizer. We got some bone meal. And some all-purpose 4-4-4 plant food. All right, we're going to mix this in with the native soil and the compost really well. Once we got it mixed, we're going to place our tree and get her planted. You guys, so I've got the hole dug as best as I could. I put a little of my mixture of the compost and natural soil down at the bottom to give it a little cushion. And now we're just going to take this out of the pot. Ooh. And we're going to break these roots up. This root system looks really good. And also you could take a water hose and spray it. That will also help break up the roots for you. And you want to fill this hole up really good with water. Final result, we got this honey jar jujube planted, and hopefully within a few years we will get some jujubes. Thank you so much for coming along with me today. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos, and be sure to hit that like button. Until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.